with more. Katie?
Tracy, a 2012 study published in the Journal of Pediatrics found harsh physical punishment increased the odds that a child would develop mood, anxiety, or personality disorders, even alcohol and drug addiction. There is no doubt that the use of corporal punishment is controversial, though technically legal nationwide. The indictment of Minnesota Vikings running back Adrian Peterson is bringing the topic of corporal punishment to the forefront.
I don't think you should ever put your hands on a child. I don't think that's appropriate. I don't think that's love.
Parents can legally hit their children in every state in the country, but definitions of abuse differ.
I mean, I think there's a line if, a little pat over the diaper or a little thing on his hand, but I mean, I don't want to hurt him and I don't want him to be hurt.
In Maine, the law defines abuse or neglect as causing serious injury or impairment to a child. Corporal punishment at school is outlawed.
A lot of the issues that we deal with are certainly generational issues and, issues that are sometimes deeply seated in families and in communities.
Matt Theodores runs Maine Boys to Men, a nonprofit that focuses on the healthy development of boys and fathers in a life without violence. The group advises parents against physical punishment of any kind.
A lot of research out there, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, that really says it's not that effective. And worse than that, it can have some really damaging implications.
While corporal punishment may be passed down by generation, a popular program for new fathers is working to change that.
What it does is it teaches fathers a different way of parenting than what they might have been exposed to as children.
Close to 1,500 new parents in Maine have taken it. The response has been overwhelmingly positive.
It just opens up their eyes on how they can be an equal participant in the parenting of their child and how they can make their own decisions about what behaviors and attitudes to carry forward in the parenting of their kids.
And we want to invite you to join the online conversation. Do you think spanking is an acceptable form of punishment? It is a hot button topic that has plenty of people talking. We want to know what you think. Let us know on Facebook and Twitter. If you use Twitter, use the hashtag WMTWQOD. Live in the studio, I'm Katie Thompson, WMTW News 8.